Cyberbullying, a presentation for the students of Grand Island Senior High School. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place using electronic technology, which includes cell phones, computers, and tablets, as well as communication tools including social media sites, text messages, chats, and websites. Is cyberbullying really that bad? Yes, cyberbullying is very serious and is on the rise. Cyberbullying is growing, and here is the proof. The percentage of schools with principals reporting cyberbullying is growing. Daily and weekly in 2010, 7.9%. In 2016, 12%. Monthly in 2010, 9.4%. In 2016, 14.9%. Occasional in 2010, 45%. In 2016, 54%. Never in 2010, 37.7%. In 2016, 19.1%. What can you do if you witness cyberbullying? Here are 10 things you can do. Report it to your school. Collect the evidence. Report it to the site, app, or game. Talk to a trusted adult. Demonstrate that you care. Work together to counteract negativity with positivity. Tell the bully to stop. Don't encourage it. Stay safe and don't put yourself in harm's way. Don't give up and think creatively about what can be done to stop cyberbullying. What is the most common type of online bullying? Mean comments are the most common type of online bullying. 22.5% of people that reported being bullied online reported mean comments as the type of bullying they faced. Where does cyberbullying happen? It is reported that Instagram, 42%, and Facebook, 37%, are the most common social media sites for cyberbullying. What are the most common forms of cyberbullying? Excluding other students, harassing other students, outing other students, such as exposing private information, cyberstalking, frapping, which is posting inappropriate content in someone else's name, making fake profiles, dissing, which is sending or posting cruel information, trickery, which is gaining trust to share secrets, trolling, which is online insults in online forums and social media, catfishing, which is stealing online identities and creating fake accounts for deceptive purposes. What types of people are likely to be cyberbullies? People that are prone to hate, anger, envy, insecurity, and peer pressure are most likely to become cyberbullies. Are there consequences for cyberbullying? Yes, there are consequences for cyberbullying. The consequences can include both fines and jail time. What are the effects of cyberbullying? Depression, skipping school, bad health, becoming a bully, and suicide. Remember, you can pass around a note to classmates making fun of a peer and it stays in the room. But when you post that same note online, thousands can see it. The whole world becomes witness and is invited to participate. Pink Shirt Day, or Anti-Bullying Day, is February 23rd. Let's all wear our pink shirts and take a stand against bullying.